When any team begins the journey of strategic planning, they often pause at the question, where do we start? This is where the core of the challenge lies. In reality, the beginning is not merely about crafting a catchy statement for the vision or mission, but about engaging with a profound philosophical question. Why do we exist in the first place? This question is not just about organizational identity. It is an existential inquiry. What value do we add to the world? And what if we were not here? This is the mission. But we do not stop there, because existence without ambition becomes a meaningless routine, like a being living on the margins of time without insights. When we abandon ambition, we become vulnerable to having our existence swallowed by the silence of the world, and we follow currents and whims instead of shaping the future. Ambition is what gives our existence real legitimacy and protects it from becoming ineffective. In a world full of ambitious organizations, those who see opportunities before they arrive, every moment of delay in ambition risks losing the ability to exist, and may even open the door for those who will not hesitate to limit us, fearing that one day we will awaken and start turning ideas into action. Therefore, the next question is not mere intellectual curiosity, but an existential and strategic necessity. Where do we want to go? The answer to this question is the vision. Here, the vision is not just a dream, but a safeguard that protects our existence and defines our path amidst the crowd of ambitions. At its core, the vision is not merely a beautiful picture of the future. It is the farthest point to which imagination can extend the thread of our existence. It is a conception of destiny, the destiny of the organization as a living entity that evolves and grows. Strategic intelligence lies in combining these two questions. The mission gives legitimacy to existence, and the vision gives meaning to continuity. The first answers, why do we exist today? The second answer, what is the purpose of our existence tomorrow? And how do we protect our existence in the future? From this duality emerges the entire logic of strategic planning. Once the team answers the questions of existence and destiny, the next step is to translate this philosophy into reality. Here we enter three interconnected levels: objectives, performance indicators, and projects. Strategic objectives are not a wish list. They are the bridge between the philosophy and action. An objective is the logical statement that says, if we want to move closer to our vision, we must excel in this specific area and achieve this particular change. Therefore, an objective is not merely what we desire, but what logic dictates as a necessary step on the path to the future. Next comes the performance indicator or key performance indicators. They are performance indicators at their core. They are a moment of facing the truth. Key performance indicator is a tool that reveals Are we truly moving closer to the vision? Or are we merely busy without progress? An indicator is not a fixed number or meaningless value. It is a mirror that shows whether our effort is fruitful or wasted. Strategic projects, on the other hand, are the moment of will. Objectives without action remain suspended ideas. A project is the tangible embodiment, the courageous decision that turns the theory into practice. It is the declaration that the organization does not just think, but acts, does not just dream, but builds. Thus, the strategic logic is complete. Mission gives meaning to existence. A vision defines destiny. Objective bridges philosophy and action. Key performance indicators reveal the truth, and the projects embody the will. In this way, strategic planning becomes a philosophy of both existence and action.